welcome to Science Club. And I want all of you boys and girls at home to get really super serious about science. So what we're going to do is our first experiment. Alright? Our first experiment, you'll need an ordinary bottle of vinegar. This is distilled vinegar. Okay. Now what we do is we pour it into the... Oh, I need to take the top off because I want to pour it into my jug here because we're going to make a volcano. Right, just pour this in to the jug. Okay. Right. And then we have some bicarbonate of soda. Sure, everyone's got that at home as well. If you don't, it's not very expensive. So what we do is we pour the bicarbonate into the vinegar, and what we get is something called a chemical reaction. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, it erupted straight away. That was madness. So why does it do that? Well, what happens is the bicarb reacts with the acid in the vinegar and it creates gas, which converts into water and carbon dioxide, and it just like blows up out of the jug. Right, that was fun. So if you're going to try that at home, make sure you have a mat like I have. I've put something down here so that when it all splashes on the floor, there's something to catch it. Right.